It's Chriso again. We're getting through these planks. I've been here, well, this is about 5 hours, I suppose. We're getting into it a bit. It's the same principle all the time. Yeah. Put out your glue, you make sure that your clips are in. A couple can go in there. But yeah, just stick with me and you'll learn. You'll notice I always stay down on my hands and knees. I'm not up every 5 minutes. You stay down. Once you're down, stay down until your glue runs out or your tiles run out. I bloody like this colour. I like the colour of these. I asked the owner, I don't know whether to use a light grey grout or one that's going to match the colour of the tile, which might look quite good too. I can spread a little bit in front of me because it's not so hot at the moment and I'm on tile, so there's the glue isn't sucking in and drying. That tap, tap, tap is the cat locked in the bedroom, banging on the door. The cat's banging on the door to come out. The owner was saying to me that the cat sleeps on the bed all day, but as soon as the door is closed, it wants to get out. All the time I'm watching my lines to make sure it's you know, the same line, that you're nice and straight all the time, which is cool. This is going to end up bloody beautiful. Always scrape away your glue. Always. You're in trouble if you don't. Major. You'll have glue coming up your grout lines, and there's a lot to clean out then. That's the man of the house over there. He likes to keep an eye on me. Well, today and tomorrow are going to be good days. I'll get a fair bit done. Then it's the weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.